If Alex saw us as so problematic, where was his almighty mentorship to correct the issues? No different from his denial about problems within the department and inability to own it so that we can move forward as a department in a better way. His own words stating 50 years of failed leadership is what he said in one of his many videos. Well, guess what? He just added 3+ years to that 50 of failed leadership.
Hey, it's CC Strong, and I want you to know that I am so appreciative of you watching that video. But even more than that, I need a favor. Click the like button, hit subscribe, join in, and follow along on my story. Yes, it was a huge win, but there's so much more on the horizon, and I would love for you to be there throughout the time of my story.